Can't hear anyone in Cisco Webex. Whether meeting audio is completely silent, participants' voices aren't playing, or the sound keeps cutting out, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Cisco Webex no sound issue in 2026. First, make sure your computer or mobile device isn't muted and the volume is turned up. If you're using headphones or external speakers, verify that they're connected properly and powered on. Next, open the Webex audio settings and make sure the correct speaker or output device is selected. Choosing the wrong playback device is one of the most common causes of no sound. Use the built-in speaker test in Webex to confirm that audio is playing through the selected device. If you don't hear the test sound, try choosing another available speaker. If the issue continues, close applications such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, music players, or recording software that may be using your audio device. These applications can sometimes create audio conflicts. Now update Cisco Webex to the latest version, then restart your computer or mobile device. Keeping your software updated often resolves compatibility and audio playback issues. Finally, if you're using Windows and still have no sound, update your audio drivers or connect another headset or speaker to determine whether the issue is related to your audio hardware. And that's how to fix the Cisco Webex no sound issue in 2026. In most cases, selecting the correct speaker, testing your audio, updating Webex, and restarting your device will restore meeting audio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.